Hi guys, so if microphone is not working on your Windows 11 computer, here is how to fix it. It's very easy. First of all, search microphone privacy settings. Now click on microphone privacy settings. From the search result, now click on microphone privacy settings. From the search result, now make sure this microphone access is turned on. Also let apps access your microphone should be also turned on. Scroll down, let's say you are facing this microphone issue in a particular app. Let's say Cortana. Make sure the microphone access is turned on for that particular app. Now if this does not work, just click on System. Now if this does not work, just click on System. And now click on Sound. Now scroll down and here you will find Input and Microphone. Make sure the correct microphone is selected. And this thing should keep moving frequently as you speak. That means it's working. If this also does not work, just search mmsis.cpl. Now click on it. Now this sound control panel will open up. Click on Recording tab. And now make sure the correct microphone is selected as default. Then click on Apply and click on OK. And your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys, please do like and subscribe for more. Peace out.